Hi everybody, it's Donna from FlipZees. So it's another day and it's another hack. You know how you always see those girls walking down the street with a beautiful winged eyeliner and you think, why can't I do that? And I thought I'd find a hack to help me. So I found one, but it involves sellotape. I'm not very confident about this, but we're going to give it a go. So first up, you put the sellotape on the corner of your eye, like so. Then you take your FlipZees. I'm definitely going to need the FlipZees for this one. Then you take your liquid eyeliner and you start to draw your beautiful, smooth, accurate winged line. Maybe a bit more wing. I think you can never have enough wing in your life. Okay, so we're going to take the sellotape off and see what the result is. Ow! What do you think? Did it work?